This demo video showcases a quick demo of CRUD operations in Retool. So let's start. Here's our dashboard, and we are going to add a new record. Click here and input the details. You can see the new record has been successfully added. Now, if you want to update a record, simply double-click on it and make changes. The record has been updated. To delete a record, click here. The record has been deleted. For any Retool development services, feel free to reach out to us using the contact details provided in the description. We're here to help bring your projects to life.